Hello everyone and welcome to another video on my channel. Today I have a bike which has ability to do cruise control. You can do stunts from this and for racing also. This is none other than KTM Duke 200 2017 model, and I am going to give you guys review and my experience about this bike. So let's get started. Okay guys, now I am going to show you the acceleration of this Duke 200. So let's get started. The 1-cylinder 199.50cc engine of this bike generates 24.60 brake horsepower at the rate of 10,000 rpm, and maximum torque is 19.20 at the rate of 8,000 rpm. The number of gears in this bike is 6 and the cooling system is liquid cooling. It has digital speedometer, fuel gauge, tachometer, trip meter, electric start, shift light, number of trip meters 2, trip meter type digital, low fuel indicator, low oil indicator, low battery indicator, pillion seat, pillion footrest, and it doesn't have ABS. It has kill switch, clock, electric system, 12V DC, battery 12V, headlight, multi-reflector, brake and tail light, LED tail lamp. The 2017 year model KTM Duke has updated, but the only mechanical change is it complies with the BS4 emission norms. The power and torque remains the same, and the rest of difference are cosmetics. The paint scheme are different with 3 new ones in the lineup. The showroom price of this bike is 1.44 lakh. It has 17 inches wheel size with tubeless tire, radial tire, alloy wheels. Front suspension is WP upside down. Rear suspension is WP monoshock. This is 200cc model, and you have option of 250 and 390 also. 250 is around of 1.95 lakh and 390 is of 2.72 lakh. Showroom price. The main highlights of this bike is its handling, which is very good, and the power of this bike, which is awesome. And the look of this bike is also very cool. If you guys enjoy this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe my channel and share this video to your friends.